Alright, thank you for cooking with D. And tonight we're making chicken strips, but chicken strips tonight is going to be made with, this is like Funyuns Wavy chips and flour. Alright, oh shit. Alright, I need to put some salt and pepper in this so that I can add some flavor to the mix, alright? Salt and pepper is usually like the, they're the foundations of things getting flavored, okay? So we're going to throw a nice amount in there. There. A little bit more salt. There we go. Because that's a lot of chicken. And we're going to split it up. So, what else would I put with chicken? Maybe like some, maybe a little bit of garlic and a little bit of onion powder, okay? So, like look at this. Look at the lid. Really set up. So we're going to go like this. All right, that's enough. Onion powder. Okay, that is there. Now we're going to put a little bit of garlic. All right, see this, see this? And again, like the other situation, where's the hose? So we're going, not like that. All right. I'm not trying to put any girls down or women. I'm talking about the hose that's like the plastic hose, okay? All right. It's all about cooking, not about the eating. All right. So we're going to put this up. And we're going to take a little bit of basil, okay? I love basil. I don't know why. I mean, well, it just has a nice aroma, okay? And again, it has no hose, okay? So we're going to throw some of that in there. Bam, bam, bam. That's enough. Oh, wait. Yes, it does. I take that back. That was my bad. Let me show you why. All right, look at this. Oh. Pop this out. Look at this. Did not know there's that, but either way, I was still sparingly. Sparingly? I think that's the word. Okay. Yeah, we'll throw a little bit of chili powder. Just a little bit, okay? Alright? That does have holes in it. Alright? And what we're going to do is, where's my plastic bags? Okay. Oh, there we go. I just bought them plastic bags. I just got this place, so trying to remember where I put everything. So we're gonna need to use these gallon bags. All right. Look. Here we go. Let's get into these gallon bags. Grab one of one bag. So return this bag to which it came. All right, we got one bag. Now, we're gonna take this bag and open it up. All right, we're gonna put this bag, look at this, over this. Okay, see how this is over this? Bam. Then, check it out. All right. Now that we have all of this in the bag, we need a little bit more. Come this. Now, open this a little bit more. Then, wow, really? All right, I'm gonna dig in deeper. I'm trying to clear out the blender. If you can't see what I'm doing, but if you can look, what comes the other direction. Alright. Oh man. Oh, fucking bastards. There you go. That's what we need. There you go. Now, look at this. Empty it. Okay. Now, when we have all this in the bag, where the hell's the front? Okay. Seasoned flour and chips. All right, bam. Next stage. Look at this. Oil, hot. Okay. How can we check if the oil is hot? Well, I'm glad you asked that, my friend. Oh, God damn it. All right. I'm glad you asked that, my friend. So, we are going to do the wood test. All right. Where's my chops? Oh. Where did I end up moving them? Oh, here we go. Chopsticks. We're going to do the chopstick test, okay? All right. So, I happen to have some chopsticks. All right. See them? The chopsticks. Pulling them out the bag. All right. Chopsticks. All right. Now, in theory, if this oil is ready, these chopsticks is going to boil right around there. Okay. Look at that boil. It's not boiling as much as it should boil. It should be like hella boiling. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a few more minutes, and then by the time I cut this up, it should be ready.